Welcome to the Tool Hut channel. Today we've got a pretty good one for you. I have a 2009 Chevy Cobalt that's at a repair shop. It's actually at a transmission shop that came from another shop. And on the dash, or in the seat of this vehicle, is four, yes, count them, four transmission control modules. And all of them act a little different. Now, just so anybody knows, they're the exact same part number, and nobody really knows which one goes in the car originally. So I wanted to go over with you some of the things that I check for and some of the things I've noticed with aftermarket scan tools. So I've done this with several scan tools. The scan tool I'm using today is the Top-Down Phoenix Max. It's not a fault of this particular aftermarket scan tool, but it is something that happens with a lot of aftermarket scan tools. So I just wanted to bring you aware of it and how we fix it. So the biggest thing we need to do is we need to get the VIN of the vehicle to start with. Always capture the VIN of the vehicle you're working on, no matter what the scan tool tells you. So we grabbed this transmission control module, does communicate. There's a couple that didn't. They've done some wiring repairs on this car. I was not involved with that. So what we're going to do is we've been asked to program the transmission control module. So I wanted to show you, uh, like I said, something that happens with the aftermarket scan tool. So stand by. Okay, so first things first. This is the VIN of this particular vehicle. Notice that the last four of the VIN is 17955, and the 10th digit is a 9. Got Top-Down Phoenix Max here. We're going to let it auto ID the vehicle. I want you to pay attention to the VIN that it pulls. The VIN is in the upper corner of the vehicle, and it says it's a 2006 Chevy Cobalt. Alright, so let's just check a couple things. We already know the VIN is wrong, right? So it shows it's an 06 Cobalt. It's really an 09 Cobalt. And no, I did not check all of the other transmission control modules. The shop that it came from was just putting transmission modules in it. But like I say, there was some wiring problems. So in the engine control module, we got our VIN of 7955, which matches our car. So let's go to the transmission control module. Again, under module information. It also has the 7955. Now wait a minute. Where did it get that other VIN from? So I'm just going to go, I'm not going to dwell on this. Let's just go program the transmission control module like I was asked to do. So we're just going to log into AC.co TDS. We're going to, it auto IDs the vehicle with the correct VIN, by the way. I'm going to tell it we're replacing it because we are. I don't think it really makes that much difference at this point. But I always tell it I'm replacing it if I'm replacing it. And you notice we've got a whole bunch of unrecognized calibrations and then the calibration numbers that's going in it. Well, again, I'm not really dwelling on this whole programming event. There's a point to the video, and the video point is to don't trust the information you're getting from your scanner. Because if you would have ordered parts or something based on the VIN that you got from your scanner, you would have been misled. We don't want to be misled, right? Alright, so I'm going to let it finish programming here. I do have this sped up a little bit here. But I want you to see that this is the only thing I'm doing. I'm programming the transmission control module. Then I'm going to plug the Phoenix Max back in and we're going to auto ID the vehicle again. Let's see what happens. This is the little external transmission control module that's up by the ECM and the battery. So we successfully programmed this transmission control module. So let's grab our top-down Phoenix Max and plug our top-down Phoenix Max back in again. We're going to ID the vehicle. Oh, it says it's an 09 Cobalt 7955. What in the world? All right. So the point of the video is not to trust the information you're getting from your scanner. I hope it came across clear. I know it was kind of a programming video, but I wanted you to see that it is obvious to me that the scan tool is pulling the VIN from the transmission control module and not from the engine control module. And like I said, I've seen this happen with several aftermarket scan tools. It doesn't seem to be on every vehicle. It's the intention of the video is for you to be aware of what's going on. Hope that helps. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more garbage like this. Have a great day.